Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can delete contact in Google Chat. So to do so, open the app. Now go to Inbox. Just tap on the contact that you want to delete and go to their name. And now you're on the conversation options. On the bottom, you can see the option uninstall over here. If you tap on uninstall, you would have successfully deleted your contact. So guys, that's how you delete a contact in Google Chat. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment down below. If you want more videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.